Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening Photos and going straight to For You. This is where Photo Shuffle lives. Once there, tap the Photo Shuffle card or press the Add button to begin. Make sure you've allowed Photos access to your library so you can pick images quickly. Selecting albums versus all photos makes curation faster. As you tap Create, you'll be prompted to name the shuffle and decide whether it appears on lock screen. Choose Now, then move to selecting the actual photos. Now you select the set. Pick between 4 and 24 photos, or use your favorites to speed this up. Once selected, tap Options to set shuffle frequency and enable Smart Shuffle, which lets photos suggest images based on people, scenes, and memories. You can tap any photo to crop or adjust its focal point, and if you want a specific order, manually arrange images before saving. After adjusting, preview the rotation to confirm timing and transitions, then save the shuffle to apply it. Once satisfied, hit Save and choose whether to set the photo shuffle as your lock screen or a home screen widget. Tap Apply and confirm. If you need changes later, go back to For You, open the photo shuffle you created, and tap Edit to add or remove images or change timing. If photos aren't appearing, make sure iCloud Photos is syncing and you have storage. Otherwise, restart Photos or toggle iCloud Photos off and on to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.